Are you an entrepreneur who is looking to build a new website or struggling to grow your business? So let's face it, to build a new website, promote your business online, or to expand its reach to multiple locations, you've got two options. You can either hire amateur agencies or freelancers to face the problems of poor website designs, low-quality content, and late project deliveries, or you can be smarter and look for someone professional like us, help you with business consultancy services for free. We're experienced in building quality websites. Here at Ads and URL, we start with understanding your business needs, create a plan, and build a marketing strategy to achieve your business goals. After that, our team of professional content writers creates creative content for you. Once this is done, your website will get into the hands of design and development teams to ensure that you get a customized website and fully responsive web design that is easy to navigate on all devices. Moreover, all of your website features will be implemented using the latest technology and web development. Along with this, you get regular maintenance, latest updates, and bugs fixed. Whether you need a blog, e-commerce website, corporate forum, or any other kind of business promotional services for your website, we do it all for you. So what are you waiting for? Visit or just drop an email for a complete online solution for your business today.